For our last presentation this evening, I invite Alicia Lopez from the Valley Community Clinic to the podium for a presentation.
Good evening, Mayor Ramos and members of the City Council. My name is Alicia Lopez, and I am chair of the Coalition for Tobacco-Free Los Angeles County, and I'm also program director for the Tobacco Prevention Program of Valley Community Clinic. I'm here tonight to present you with a very special award, but first I would like to give a little background for those here tonight and those at home watching the meeting. In 2006, the California Air Resources Board identified secondhand smoke as a toxic air contaminant, and the U.S. Surgeon General stated that there is no risk-free level of exposure to secondhand smoke. Thus, about a year and a half ago, 2 Burbank residents approached the City Council independently and asked the Council to protect them from harmful secondhand smoke in outdoor areas of Burbank. Although there weren't very many cities at the time that had passed policies outlawing smoking in public places in California, the Burbank City Council decided to look at the issue and directed staff to bring back a comprehensive secondhand smoke control ordinance that would protect people from secondhand smoke in many different outdoor areas of the Burbank community. After much deliberation and hearing from those that supported as well as opposed the proposed law, the City Council voted 3-2 in favor of a comprehensive secondhand smoke control ordinance that protects Burbank residents and visitors alike from secondhand smoke. Just after passing the Tobacco Retail Licensing Ordinance in February 2007 that will protect youth from access to tobacco in Burbank and prevent them from a lifelong of addiction to tobacco, the Burbank City Council took further steps in making Burbank a healthier city by adopting the Comprehensive Secondhand Smoke Control Ordinance in April 2007, which will reduce the over 40,000 deaths a year from tobacco-related illnesses in California, as well as enhance the quality of life and air in Burbank. Burbank's leadership in implementing the Secondhand Smoke Control Ordinance has prompted other cities throughout California to adopt similar ordinances to further protect residents and visitors, including most recently the city of Novato. Also, our neighboring city of Glendale will look at a draft Secondhand Smoke Control Ordinance very soon. So, marking the 1-year anniversary of its passage, it is my honor, as chair of the Coalition for Tobacco-Free Los Angeles County, and on behalf of Valley Community Clinic and the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health, to present the Certificate of Appreciation to the Burbank City Council tonight to thank you for your leadership and bravery in the fight against the third leading cause of preventable death in the United States. I'd also like to recognize former Mayor Todd Campbell and former City Council member Jeff Vander Borght in the evening tonight. They were on the council when this ordinance passed. The certificate reads, Award of Recognition, presented on April 29, 2008 to the City of Burbank for adopting a comprehensive secondhand smoke policy, helping to create a more pristine and healthy environment in which to live, work, and play. Thank you to the Burbank City Council for your vision, leadership, and commitment to improve the health and safety of your residents and visitors. Thank you.
Wow. Can I call upon former Mayor Campbell and former Mayor Vander Borght to come up and accept this with me and take a photo? It was the three of us really that, boy, in terms of lots of deliberation, there was certainly lots and lots. But these two gentlemen certainly led the way, blazed the trail. The mayor of Novato, Pat Eckhart, called me, I think it was the day before the vote, and wanted to hear how ours were going, and I'm glad that they went forward with theirs as well. So let's take a photo. Thank you, Alicia.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for both of you for coming this evening. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Well deserved.
Congratulations.
Remember when you got to see me every week?
Great.
Look at this. You got to be proud. I'm proud of this community. There's so much more good work to do. This is certainly one of the reasons why Burbank was recognized as 100 Best Community for Young People. It's a healthy, smoke-free environment. Thanks.
Thank you.
And thanks to my colleagues for your efforts as well. This award of recognition for the secondhand smoke ordinance is presented to the entire city of Burbank. And I do want to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues on the council. They went forward and funded an educational ambassador so that the implementation might be well received or at least understood. And I do want to also thank the staff members that really got involved in this process and studied it very carefully, and also have helped answer all the questions that come in week after week, month after month, and also to our police department, who is charged with enforcement. I know it's not easy, but this is a big step in the right direction, and I think it's been pretty well received, and it's nice to be on the cutting edge and to be recognized for that. So thanks to all of you for that. And with that,